What is up, you guys? Welcome to your, I won't say the number this time. Welcome to your last tutorial of programming C. And yeah, truly, this is the last tutorial. You guys made it through. Congratulations. So actually, I was gonna make the previous video, the last one, but then I thought I didn't really talk much about these libraries, okay? Till now, we just know these two and the string.h. So let me introduce another library in this tutorial, and that is called include. That's not called include, that's called math.h. Okay, math.h, there you go. And this library pretty much has all the mathematical functions that you need. Okay, for example, sine, cos, and then there's exponential, logarithmic functions, and there's a power functions for square rooting numbers and all that. In this tutorial, I'll just go through two functions, power and square root. Okay, let's declare some variables and print out a statement for our users saying enter numbers, and let's go on a new line. Did I put the front slash? I mean the backslash. Okay, scanf %d person, I'm sorry, %d. I'll make a power function first. I mean power program first, and then I'll make the square root. Okay, so n%a and n%b. So what I'll be doing here is that I'll be raising the power of a to b. Okay, so we'll be storing the answer in c. So we can do something like c is equals to, and the function is called pow. Okay, I know it sounds funny, funny for me, I don't know why. Okay, it takes two parameters, a and b. So this function will just evaluate the value of a raised to b, and it will store the answer in c. So what we actually want to do is just print out the c, person d and c. Okay, there you go. Let's run it and I'll show you how it works. So 2 raised to 4 is 16. Wow, pretty cool. This is a simple program. Okay, so another program is just to find the square root of the number. I was just laughing because it's just too simple, I know, but still. Okay, now to find the square root, we'll just take one input and we'll store it in a, and we'll find the square root of a and we'll store it in c. So for finding the square root, we have this function called sqrt, squared, and it takes only one parameter, that is a, to find the square root of a. And remember, we can use these functions because we have included this library math.h. Okay, so we have printed the answer, that is c, and let's run this. So let's enter something like 64, and the square root of 64 is 8. Works pretty cool. So that's all, you guys. You can always look through many different functions of math.h on Google, and you can even look for more different libraries. Okay, so that's all, you guys. That's all I wanted to talk about. Okay, and I actually created this little speech at the end of the tutorial, so if you want to hear it, you can just stick around, or you can leave if you want, because I'm done teaching. Okay, so first of all, I haven't taught you everything about C. There's always a lot of things you can learn, and in programming, it's just the knowledge that you can gain is infinite. Okay, you can never say that, okay, I'm done learning programming for now. You can never say that, because programming is like, you can literally keep learning programming till the end of your life. So that's one thing, and the other thing is that programming can actually solve any problem, anything. Okay, and if you ever in your life come across a problem which you think programming cannot solve, just remember that your knowledge about programming is lagging. Okay, it works this way. Okay, so please keep learning, stay like a student, and always be curious to learn new things. Okay, and if you want to keep learning, I would recommend you to stop learning C for now and start learning Java, okay? If you actually want to go into application building and game building and all that, Java is the first preference you should have, okay? Java is a very nice language, and yeah, seriously, learn Java if you actually want to go in that application stuff. If you actually want to build some websites and you want to go into web designing, I would recommend you to learn HTML and PHP and MySQL and all that, okay? So that's my little speech, and yeah, please stay a student. Please keep learning. Do not stop learning, okay? Never stop learning. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around for my little speech, and thank you for watching all the videos that I made. Thanks a lot. Okay. So bye. Take care, and I'll see you guys maybe somewhere someday. Bye.